So you just bought your brand new Apple Watch and you're looking for a band that has a built-in case that's going to protect your brand new Apple Watch. Well, Supcase has you covered with their UB Pro band case. So this is the band case. All you need to do is simply pop in the Apple Watch through the back here and you're covered pretty much 360 degrees. It also comes with 2 tempered glass screen protectors and 2 installation packets. So I do have the tempered glass screen protector already installed on my Apple Watch, so I'm going to go ahead and pop it into the case. So all you need to do is flip over the case just like this to where we have the cutouts on the side here. We're going to take our Apple Watch, we're going to flip it upside down, make sure that the little crown and the button are facing towards the cutout here. We'll go ahead and put one end in just like that, and then just push one end down into place, and then just simply push down on the top. And that is pretty much it. Your watch is now protected. As you can see, you can still access the crown from the side here, as well as the button. And then we have our little action button covered by the little button over here, and we have cutouts for our speaker. And you can also easily wirelessly charge from the back because there's nothing covering that. All right, and there it is on our wrist. You can easily access the screen, whether it be from the sides or from the bottom or the top. As you can see, it does have a nice raised edge to protect your screen, and it's got a perfect little cutout for that tempered glass screen protector. And then you can easily access the button on the side there. It does add a little extra bulk to your wrist, but again, it's going to be protected pretty much 360 degrees. And as you can see, you can still access the little crown here on the side. Go ahead and zoom in and out. No problems there. And you can also hit the little action button on the side. Now the case is made of like a hard, kind of rubbery plastic. We have our carbon fiber inlay on the sides here. Nice thick buckle on the end. So let's go ahead and test out the sound. See if there's any differences.
T-Mobile. Hi, Anthony. So tell me, how can I help you today?
So I don't think there's any problem with the sound. It's actually just as loud as it was before I even put the case on. And again, if you want to wirelessly charge, you won't have any issues with that either. So that is Supcase's UB Pro case band for the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.